Alrighty, everyone, let's jump on over to Coco Fur. We got Coco Fur here, perfectly designed with your fur baby in mind. You know it's good when it rhymes. So let's check it out. Oh my God. A matching adult onesie. You're welcome, Carissa. We got a matching adult onesie for your pet. Oh my goodness. What are we gonna do? This is match. Let's check out these photos here. I will say, guys, we're having a lot of fun products today. This is great. This matching onesie will make you smile from ear to terry ear. Oh, the puns. You're killing me over here. Designed by proud dog owners for dog owners. Where to sleep when lounging or for family pictures. Beautiful burgundy color with snaps, buttons, and pockets. Unique, thoughtful gift idea for any dog mom. Okay. So really good. I love what you've done with your photos. And guys, take notes. You know, when I'm even gonna pop this listing in here for you guys to the chat, so you guys can check it out if you want. If you can illustrate something in the photos, um, you know, a lot of times we always try to make sure we put all the details into the description. However, if you can create a photo that illustrates and explains some of the things as well, that's a really good way to do it, you know, because the photo, people look at the photos, and you also got to take into consideration that when someone's on their phone, this description is way down. Okay. It's getting pushed way down here. Whereas right here, the photos are always front and present. So this is a great way to show it off and show, you know, and look, she's showing off the edges, the lining, the buttons. She's explaining the fabric. She's explaining that it's warm, lightweight, stretchy, breathable. She's given us all of the details, the size chart. All of the details are right up here in the photos. We don't even hardly got to read the description, but she's also telling us the details down here in the description. So really, really good job on that. Now, something that I would recommend for you, Rosalia, is use these photos take these photos here that people posted on their reviews and go ahead and put them in your listing, because these are fantastic photos. This one here, it's such a romantic scene. She's got a glass of wine, a candle. She's got roses, an adorable little pup. Like, oh my goodness, the romance is just off the chart. So I would take this photo and put it right onto your listing. You can save the image right there, and then you can put it right on your listing. And I think that is, and you guys are totally allowed to do that. You're allowed to take the photos. If they put it on here, it's already online. So you can definitely do that. And I would take this one too, because this is another beautiful photo. Really, really great. And it shows it off super nicely. Let me see here. Rob, she's got a ours versus theirs photos. Thoughts on that technique? I don't know where you saw where you got that from, Rob, unless it was on a different one. I don't see the versus theirs kind of point of view. But I mean, I like this where it says, you know, by a dog owner. I think that's good. I think a lot of times ours versus theirs is a good positioning. It's the yellow. It's the yellow. The yellow. What am I missing? Maybe, oh, this one here. Let's check it out. So we've got luxurious dog turtleneck sweaters. Let's see the ours versus theirs positioning. Let's go through this one. So cute, right? A great choice for your fur baby. Luxurious, soft, ours and theirs. Uncomfortable, not fashionable, not gender neutral, one size. Yeah, I think this is a great way of doing it. Nothing wrong with ours versus theirs. I think ours versus theirs is great. It shows that you're proud of your product and that you think it's better than the rest. People do this on Amazon all the time, where they'll show off the ours versus theirs. So I think ours versus theirs is totally a good thing to do. And I think you've done a wonderful job on this, Rosalia, with these photos here, really making it look nice over here. And oh, look at this, a nice size chart, wonderful size chart showing off all the different dogs and the approximate sizes that you got to get for that dog. So really, really cool there. Now, let's check out these keywords here. We got luxurious dog turtleneck sweater. Let's check that one out. 679 results. So I think you could find a bigger keyword. Let's just get rid of the word luxurious and just do dog turtleneck. There we go. Lots more results, lots more opportunities. 1608. So that's much stronger for you right there. Yeah, a lot of times, guys, words like luxurious, handmade, homemade, those words usually don't help out a whole lot. People don't really search up luxurious dog. People, if they're searching for a dog turtleneck, not a lot of people are going to be searching for a luxurious dog turtleneck. I kind of think if you got a turtleneck for your dog, you're already luxurious, and it need not be said. So keywords like that aren't going to really help out so much. I would cut luxurious. And then right here, soft, light, stretchy thermal pullover. That one I think is too broad. I think it needs to be more pet related. And it also doesn't have very great search results at 677. It's not that strong to begin with, but I think it's not dog relevant. It's more just kind of general. So something that would be better would be like dog pull over. There we go. 19,894. So now we're kind of in the too large pet pullover. We could try that. Now we got down to 8,800. So you could come up with a few more ideas, but you want to go ahead, vet all your keywords, check them all right here. And let's see, we got Jewel with the keywords. We've got dog, pull over, sweater. Ooh, let's see, we got 10,007, 10,047. So right on that sweet spot. That's a great keyword for you right there. Now let's check the date on this one. March 28th. So that's pretty good. Only a couple days old. But I think this is a great product. I think you should be renewing this, very, very often, every other day, every couple days or something like that. Keep them nice and refreshed. This one, March 28th as well. This one, March 28th. I think they're both on March 28th. So my suggestion for you, Rosalia, add more listings, add more products. I think you've got a really good start here with the products that you got. But 4 items is tough to really build a big shop and a lot of sales with only 4 items. So you got to get a couple more in there. I would recommend a personal photo, but this still looks really good. And, I wouldn't see why not to put a personal photo, because I think this is you here in some of these photos. So I think it would be great to have you there as well. But yeah, all together, love the shop, love the products. I agree with Jewel. I don't got a dog, but I do love your product. It's a lot of fun.